Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can calculate the modulus operation using these two calculators. So first of all I will show you how you can calculate by using this 991 MS series calculator. So I have to calculate the value of 625 mod of 91. So I am pressing here 625 divided by 91 is equal to, I will get the answer like 6.86 at 1 and so on. So now how I can calculate the value of modulus? There is one button that is A, P divided by C. So I am pressing that button and then I will get the result likewise 6, 79 and 91. So 6 is the quotient, 79 is the remainder and 91 is my divisor. So 79 is the operation of our modulo result. Now I will show you how you can calculate by using 991 ES series. So type here 625 divided by 91, then you will get here the value 625 91. So you have to press now SD button with shift button. So shift and SD, after pressing this button you will get the value that is 6, 79 and 91. So 6 is your quotient, 79 is your remainder and 91 is your divisor. So by pressing this shift and HD button, you will get the answer for your modulo. So by using these two calculators, we have checked how you can calculate the result of that modulus operation.